Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So basically now I am making a new series basically. So like I am taking a challenge right now. So regularly I will upload a video. So basically I am like making a series for the preparation of the data domain interview. So like any data domain interview, like data science, data engineering, data analyst, since you all the three have some common part, we know that like all these three types of the interviews have some common part. So basically in this series I'm going to prepare you all for the data domain interviews coming in the upcoming 30 days. So let's start from today. So mainly I'll just tell you, mainly I will cover the portion of SQL, Python, data analysis, and maybe some sort of data warehousing also, like all the major important questions. Since I have given a lot of interviews in my career, so I have experience, so I assume that, and I consider myself as a person who can share good knowledge with you, because I have a good experience about this. So let's start from today. So for today's video, since I have already introduced you to the sequel series, so now I am just for I'll start from Python for this series. Like I will tell you the important questions, most important questions which people ask, which interviewer ask in the Python interview. Just remember this, within 30 days we will have to cover this, like the most important questions. Got it? uh, this is very simple question. In this we have to just print hello world, so this is the simplest question. I don't think that we need to cover this. This is also simple. This is also not, people does not ask this type of questions in the interview. uh, Very beginner level questions. No, again no, and no. I don't think that it has some content for this. uh, Operators. This question, so this we can consider, like it the interviewers have asked me this type of question in the interviews. So what it has is x equals to 2 and if x double equals to 2. So you should know the difference between the single equal operator and the double equals to operator. So it's a single equal operator, just assign the value to that variable. So basically the x variable has assigned the value of 2. And what does this if condition signifies? If x double equals to, this is basically doing the comparison. Double equals to means comparison, and single equals means assigning the value. So if x double equals 2, so since we have already assigned x is 2, and so 2 double equals 2 is true, so then x the value of x would be assigned, changed to 3. Got it? But can you see that in this if else condition there is x equals to 4 written here? So this is wrong. We can't assign any variable between if and else block, or if or elif block. So this is a wrong syntax basically. You can't do like this. If you are writing the if there would be a tab space about this x, then this block would be correct. But since there is no tab space about this after this x, so I would say that this block of code is incorrect, because after if there should be either elif or else, nothing assign, no assigning of variable in between the. If there is a tab, if there would have been a tab space after this x, then that block would be correct. But since there is no tab space after this x, So I would say that this is incorrect. So this particular block of code will throw error basically. Yeah. So it is correct. Let me just go to another question. Mm, arrange while this question we will try to do. Yeah, this question mostly people ask in the interview. You want to build the first and natural even numbers. In which what sequence should the following statement be rearranged to get the desired outcome? So if I mod 2 equals to 0, so basically uh, we want to print the, and first I can show you this the solution of this problem in Google Colab also if you want. I'll show you in the Google Colab only. Let me just open the notebook. So basically in this we have to print the and natural even numbers. So what are the even numbers? Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. But since it has written that natural even number, so natural numbers start from 1. So basically we have to print 1, 4, 6 and 8. And yeah, 1, 2, 4, 6 and 8 and natural even number. So I'll just try to not see this condition, and I'll try to write the code on my own. So we'll start from this iteration I equals to 1 while I is less than and equals to n. So n would be given by the user, n equals while I so here the condition should be I should be equals to 2, right? If we will write I equals to 2, like I can solve this problem by using my own block of code also. Like it is not said necessary that I should be equals to 2 only, and while in the while condition uh, I should be less than and equals to 2 star, and it is not necessary. I can write my own code. I can like modify this code according to my thinking process. But since in this problem I like they want me to they want me to consider only this sequence, so that's why I'm looking at this block of code so that I can finalize you the sequence. So while I is less than and equals to 2 star n. If I mod 2 equals to 0, if I mod 2 equals to 0, then print I. Unless I plus equals to 1. Let's for n just consider this as an input from the user in integer, an input from the user it's just taking time to run. Maybe it is not connected, that's why. For example, I am writing 6. It will print 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8 10 12. So it has printed 6 even natural number. So now you got the sequence, I think. This is pretty much simple. First we have taking the input from the user, then we have assigned I equals to 2, and then in this condition we are checking if I is less than or equals to 2 star n or not. And then if I mod 2 equals to 0, like if the remainder is 0, then we are printing the I. And then after completing the one iteration, uh, adding we are adding an we are adding a 1 to I also. Got it? So this is pretty much simple. Like you can practice many of the questions like this, but I'm telling you the important ones here. If you want, then I can like create another Python series in which I will solve each question in uh, in a single video more deeply. So that if you like don't know Python, then I can if you want, then I can create a separate Python series also. But this series is for those people who already have a knowledge of SQL, Python, and data analysis, data engineering, and they want to prepare for interview. So they just want to brush up their concept. So this series is for those people. That's why I'm going a little bit fast in that. I have another question also, but then the video will be a little bit longer. So let me just come up with another video. And like for today, this is enough, I think. I'll make another video tomorrow, and then we can have another type of question. Until then, goodbye. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm not getting much subscriber, and this is very disappointing, guys. I'm doing very much effort, so please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.